I just got in this 6-pack of the 109 yards of the clear packing tape. This is a reorder, and you can see that it is nicely packaged and sealed up. I highly recommend this packing tape. It is the right amount that you need. It will seal up your boxes without any problem. It does cut very well with your tape gun or dispenser, and you will not have any issues. I've been using it and I love it. So this is a reorder, and I just thought I would give you a review. Some people have not done a review on this clear tape, but I'm telling you, this right here will last me for quite a while. I am an online reseller, and I need packaging tape. We use a lot of it, so definitely recommend this 6-pack, 109 yards, and it is your 1.88-inch width, or basically your 2-inch width packing tape, and really nice. And you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck. So definitely the value is in it. It is quality and it works great. I haven't had a bit of problem using this tape at all. So get that 6-pack. It'll help you out a lot. I ordered the DeHaas 16-roll transparent desk tape, and this is really, really nice. Well packaged. You can see that it is cellophane packaged. I've been using it. I'm very pleased. It is truly transparent. It is not foggy and got the frost on it like Scotch tape, and it has a bending flexibility. So here we have it loaded onto my tape dispenser, and as you can see, it is clear. It is very sticky, and it really cuts good. We don't have any issues with it. Just cuts right off. So I highly recommend the 16 roll of the DeHaas transparent rolls of clear tape, and especially for your gift wrapping come the holidays, it can really come in handy. This is my review of the Scotch paper tape. These come in a 2-roll, and you get both of these. I've been using these a lot. Let me tell you why I love this. With the Scotch paper tape, unlike masking tape, you can use it and reuse it. For example, I have my dongle for my keyboard. This one doesn't have a compartment on it. So I can put my dongle on there. It has plenty of sticky, and I can reuse it. There's going to be no residue. I do not have to worry about it taking the lettering or any of my buttons. I don't have to worry about the lettering coming off. I can reuse this piece of tape, and I can write on it. It is that in-between tape when you need something that is going to hold up. Painter's tape is thicker and will not leave a residue. So Scotch paper tape is similar to painter's tape. You get that reuse, you can write on it, and it's not going to lift off any of your lettering or damage anything. It is not thick. It is bendable. You can shape it and put it where you need, especially if you do things like crafts and things like that. This is perfect. Masking tape tends to leave a residue, or it will not re-stick once you've used it. So I highly recommend the Scotch paper tape for the person who needs that flexibility, need to be able to reuse it, no residue left behind, and it is bendable and flexible. I do use the Post-it paper tape, but this is truly a piece of paper, just like a Post-it note, and it just does not always dependable to re-stick or be able to have that flexibility that the Scotch paper tape will give you. So I highly recommend it. There is a place for the Scotch paper tape that is unlike its competitors. And so definitely, if you're looking for that in-between that gives you that flexibility where you can use it crafts and not have to worry about residue, and you need to be able to reuse it, or even if you are doing the painting where you put it on glass and then you paint it, the paper mache type thing, this is a great product to use. So that's my review.